Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Off-Axis Builds. Tonight we're going to be removing the engine so I can get to installing the rear heat plate and some supports for the rear fin. Stay tuned, we'll get some things rolling here. So now that I got the engine out, a couple things got to happen here. Got to get the last hole on both sides mounted for the fin, and then I got to get a brace to help support this guy so it's not pushing down. And then I'm going to paint this whole section red, and the reason for that is because I want those holes to be red. I just want it to pop out like that. That back piece I'm going to put on is going to be black, and of course the car's going to be green, so it'll all just stand out really nice. I'm going to reuse these connections for the electrical to go from driver's side over to the passenger side, so that'll clean that up. I may use those, or I may use the standoffs that I'm putting on, because I'm going to actually pull this off of this back wall a little bit to kind of give it some depth there and some a little more soundproofing. So anyways, that's the plan here. So let me get those holes drilled, get some paint on here, sand it down of course because it's pretty rough, and then we'll get that back piece installed. So I got it all screwed on, test fitted. Now I just gotta make my locations for these braces. It's to help support the wing. I'm just gonna screw into this thing, and that should give enough support for this guy. So I have one for this side and one for this side. So once I get those located, screwed in, I can then finish painting the backside, paint this guy, and then weld this bracket on. So let's just keep going on it. So that's kind of what it's going to look like. Engine's not in there. So you'll see red in those holes, which would be kind of neat. and it'll also match the end of the wings. So, of course, the engine will be in another 4 or 5 inches. That's the idea.